Hello everyone. I hope you're having a good day. But right now I want you to listen carefully because this might be the most important video you watch all year. And I'm not saying that to be dramatic. You are losing something every single day and you don't even realize it. You're losing your brain. Not in a scary way, not like a disease, but slowly, quietly. Your brain is growing weaker, slower and older. And you're not doing anything to stop it. You scroll on your phone for hours. You repeat the same boring routine. You avoid anything uncomfortable. And then you wonder, why am I forgetting things? Why don't I feel smart anymore? Why does life feel so heavy and dull? The answer is simple. Your brain is dying. If you don't take control now, if you don't train it, your brain will keep shrinking until you are awake but not alive. This video is not for people looking for quick, fun tips. It's for people ready to fight for their mind, ready to stay sharp, powerful, creative, and young, even at 50, 60, or 70. Today, I'll share 16 powerful habits to keep your brain young. Real, raw, tested habits. If you follow them, you won't just keep a young brain. You will think faster, speak smarter, sleep better, and stop feeling like life is passing you by. And here's the bonus. This video will also train your English. You'll improve your listening, comprehension, and confidence while you learn how to rebuild your brain from the inside. Let's begin. Habit 1. Use your other hand. Sounds silly, right? But don't laugh. This is one of the easiest ways to wake your brain up. Think of your brain like a tree. Every time you do something new, it grows a new branch. If you keep doing the same things every day, the tree just stops growing. Using your non-dominant hand to brush your teeth, write, or open doors forces your brain to work harder. It builds new neural connections, making your brain flexible, alert, and sharp. Yes, it will feel awkward. Yes, you might spill food or write messy. But that's the point. That struggle is your brain saying, "This is new. I need to grow." Start small. Tonight, brush your teeth with the wrong hand. Write your name with it. Don't do it for fun. Do it to fight brain death. Because lazy brains die young. Habit 2. Do one hard thing every day. Let's be honest, most people want an easy life, but your brain only grows when it struggles. Comfort kills it. Doing one hard thing every day means you challenge your brain like a warrior. It could be speaking English even when you're shy, waking up early when you don't want to, saying no to junk food, talking to someone new, reading one page even when you're tired. Every time you push yourself a little, your brain wakes up and grows stronger. There was a man named David, 44 years old, tired and unfocused. His doctor told him, "Your brain feels old because you stopped doing hard things 10 years ago." So he started small, a cold shower for 20 seconds, reading one page a day, walking without his phone. In 30 days, he said, "My brain feels electric again, not because of medicine, but because of struggle." Pick your one hard thing today, not tomorrow. Do it now. Habit 3. Stay away from screens. Here's the hard truth. Your phone is making your brain stupid. Every time you scroll, your brain jumps from one thing to another, video to video, post to post, like a child given sugar every 3 seconds. Result? Your focus gets destroyed. Your memory weakens. You become tired, distracted, and slow. Most people can't even sit in silence for 5 minutes without panicking. That's not normal. That's addiction. So start small. Turn off all screens for 30 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no YouTube. Just sit, walk, write, or think. Let your brain breathe again. Do this every day, and your focus will come back. Habit 4. Sleep in a dark, silent room. Sleep is when your brain repairs itself. But if you sleep with lights, noise, or your phone buzzing, your brain never goes into deep rest. You wake up tired, foggy, and irritated. You forget names. You lose focus. Make your room like a cave. Pitch black, silent, phone far away. This one habit alone can change your life. Habit 5. Walk alone in nature. When was the last time you walked outside without your phone? Just you, the sky, the trees, the sound of the wind. Walking alone, even for 10 minutes, resets your brain, lowers stress, improves memory, and brings you peace. A woman named Eliza had panic attacks and brain fog. Her therapist told her to walk outside daily, no phone. At first, she hated it. But after 1 week, she said, "I heard the birds again. I heard my own thoughts. It was like meeting myself after years." And see what happens. Listen to a podcast in a new topic. Talk to someone you've never spoken to before. Work from a different spot in your house. Small changes wake your brain up. They force it to notice details again, to stay alert, to grow. If you keep living the same day over and over, your brain will think life is already over. But when you change your routine, even in tiny ways, your brain feels young again, curious, alive, and full of energy. Habit 11. Learn a new skill. Your brain loves learning, but most adults stop learning after school. That's when the brain begins to shrink. So pick something new. Learn a language. Take up painting. Learn to dance. Try cooking a dish from another country. It doesn't matter if you're bad at it. In fact, it's better if you are. Because when you struggle to learn something new, your brain is building fresh connections and staying strong. Habit 12. Teach what you learn. Here's a secret. The fastest way to keep information in your brain is to teach it. When you explain something to someone else, your brain has to organize, simplify, and repeat the idea, and that makes it stick. You don't need to be a teacher. You can share with a friend, talk about it in a video, or even explain it to yourself out loud. Every time you do this, you train your brain to be clear, confident, and sharp. Habit 13. Train your body to train your brain. Your brain and body are not separate. When your body is weak, tired, or sick, your brain slows down too. So move daily. Walk, stretch, lift weights, do yoga. Even 15 minutes a day can send more blood, oxygen, and energy to your brain, helping you think faster and stay focused. Habit 14. Eat brain food. Your brain is made of what you eat. Feed it junk, and it will perform like junk. Eat more omega-3s from fish, walnuts, flax seeds. Eat colorful vegetables and fruits. They fight brain aging. Drink enough water. Even small dehydration makes your brain foggy. What you eat every day is not just for your body, it's for your mind. Habit 15. Practice silence. Your brain is constantly bombarded with noise. Notifications, messages, music, videos. It never rests. Spend 5 minutes every day in complete silence. No phone, no music, no talking. Just sit, breathe, notice your thoughts. This simple habit resets your nervous system and gives your brain the space to process everything it learned that day. Habit 16. Protect your mind. Your brain is shaped by what you consume, not just food, but information. If you constantly watch negative news, gossip, drama, your brain becomes stressed, anxious, and fearful. Choose what enters your mind carefully. Read things that inspire. Watch things that teach. Follow people who make you think, not just react. Your brain is your most powerful weapon. Protect it like your life depends on it. Because it does. If you follow these 16 habits, your brain won't just stay young. It will become sharper, faster, and stronger than ever before. You'll think clearly, speak with confidence, and most of all, you'll feel alive again. And while you're training your brain, you're also training your English. Every word you just heard made your brain work harder, grow stronger, stay younger. So don't just watch this video once. Come back, listen again, practice the words, repeat the habits, because a young brain is not given to you. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day, but right now I want you to listen carefully, because this might be the most important video you watch all year. And I'm not saying that to be dramatic. You are losing something every single day, and you don't even realize it. You're losing your brain. Not in a scary way, not like a disease, but slowly, quietly. Your brain is growing weaker, slower, and older, and you're not doing anything to stop it. You scroll on your phone for hours. You repeat the same boring routine. You avoid anything uncomfortable. And then you wonder, why am I forgetting things? Why don't I feel smart anymore? Why does life feel so heavy and dull? The answer is simple. Your brain is dying. If you don't take control now, if you don't train it, your brain will keep shrinking until you are awake but not alive. It's built every single day. Find a line that makes your eyes water and repeat it every day until it becomes a part of you. Do this every week, and in 1 year, you'll have 50 poems, 50 quotes, 50 verses living inside your mind. Not on your phone, not online, inside you. People who memorize regularly have sharper focus, stronger memory, better emotional control, and slower brain aging. And that's not motivation talk, that's science. But if you never memorize anything, your brain becomes an empty library. You walk in and every shelf is bare. That's what most people's minds look like today, full of noise, empty of wisdom. These are not feel-good habits. They're uncomfortable, painful, raw, and that's why they work.
Because everything that keeps your brain young lives outside your comfort zone.
Your brain is not your friend. It only wants to save energy.
And if you don't fight back, it will slowly turn off your fire, piece by piece, until you feel safe, but dead inside. But now you have the tools, 16 weapons, each one simple but deadly. Use them every day, not for fun, not for views, for survival. Because if you don't protect your brain, no one else will. If this message lit a spark inside you, don't just watch and forget. Use it, live it, fight for your mind. Most people will keep scrolling, but you now know the truth. And if you want more than just motivation, if you want tools that actually transform you, subscribe right now. You're not here to entertain you. We're here to build the strongest minds together.